Okay, so we have another campaign type called app installs. The only difference between the other advertisement campaign and this one is basically the how do you know give you a source, whether it is a Android or iTunes. Okay, app installation. This helps us to increase the application installations of your mobile app if you have. Okay, so drive campaign performance and continue to sustain it over time. So automated app ads. Okay, which is basically is used by the Facebook. That is a program called Facebook for Developers. Through Facebook for Developer option, you can actually develop application related to your websites and you can use it, so automatically that will be used for your promotion. That is one option. Okay, but you can manually set up. Okay, you can manually set up by giving your URL, your setup and all that stuff. We will go with the manual option. Okay, and it is an option to name the campaign. Okay, you can name the campaign in all the three places. I think it is really easy to name it here. Okay, let me say Amudhan app installs. Okay, so let me have my campaign, my ad set and also my advertisement. Okay, so click on continue with this one. It is going to be 90% similar. Okay, so the campaign is going to be the auction system. Okay, so get more of the customer action that you value most with the automated app ads. So it's saying that go for the automated one, don't go for the manual one. Okay, but I'm going for the automated, I mean the manual one, because so that we can explore what are the options we have. Okay, so the app based on all the things that we are just simply leaving. Okay, so Google Play. Okay, now you see you can develop application and upload it into Google Play, iTunes for iPad, Windows Store, Facebook, Canva. So there are lots of stores available. You can select your one preferred one and select this one, preferably the Google Play. Okay, now you can go to the Google Play and you need to select, okay, the app, or you can search from here itself. Let me say I want to promote WhatsApp. Okay, it says WhatsApp for business. So I can click on this and the UPI is integrated with this one and automatically WhatsApp. Now in order to publish my mobile applications, I should go ahead and register with the respective platforms like iTunes and Android or the Google Play Store and have my application uploaded. Okay, this is one. Automatically, so this will be used and it says this app is not linked to your account. Of course, this is not my application. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to go over in and there is an option called to set up now. Okay, what does it say? Like Google Analytics, how we verified by integrating a code, or how we verified Google Search Console, or by adding the verification code. Now, Facebook is asking us to install an application and verify, install the code or the event code, okay, or verify based on your ownership. Okay, once it is done, then Facebook will understand this is your application. Okay, else you will not be able to do that. Okay, again, so there is an option where if you are unable to find the application, you can restrict or search by your country. Okay, okay, so the budget and schedule by default it is taken as 1600 rupees, where you will be receiving 447 clicks to 1300 clicks on your advertisement. Okay, with the daily budget. Okay, if your budget accepts, go for huge budget, otherwise go for the optimal budget. For 500 rupees, we get 140 clicks. Okay, for 100 rupees, we get around 28 clicks. Okay, so 28 clicks. So 28 clicks per 100 rupees. In the same time, let me say 30 clicks. Okay, so 1500 approximately or 150. Now we go with rupees 500 and see I receive 140 clicks. Now when I compare this one, 10 clicks are lesser. Let me go with rupees 100 and get 28 clicks, because 28 into 5, so 28 into, I take 28 clicks to 81. So this is the minimum to maximum range. So with rupees 100, I'm just giving it as an example. Okay, so for 100 rupees you will end up spending, people clicking on this application, 28 people, but we cannot guarantee how many people will install the application. Okay, People may click, they may even skip, people may install, and they will immediately uninstall. They will dwell from there. That's also can happen. Okay, you can set up an end date for your campaign. Okay, scroll down. Obviously, so define your audience. What kind of audience you want to have? Define it. Preferably, if you want to have very specific type of audience and not the broader audience, go ahead and refine your audience either by going to the browse option and selecting the respective options like their educational qualification, life events, or parental status, or the interest which they express on their entertainment, family, or food or hobbies, whatever it may be. So you can also check through the behaviors. Now you need to sit down and manually find out what are the different options we have related to the demographics, interest, and behavior of the people, so that for any audience we get, we will be able to easily identify what kind of people to target. So we need to spend quality time with it. Okay, so we need to save this audience if you want it for future references. Again, let us give it a try with the placements. Okay, automatic placements will give me this much result in the sense what happens to my manual placement. Okay, let me exclude messenger and see. I get a 28. Let me go for audience network. Of it is getting reduced, I get only 22 clicks, so I will retain audience network. Let me remove the Facebook and see. 36. Okay, I saw it only on Instagram and audience network, I get 36 clicks. Okay, when I go with only Instagram, 19, very less. When I go with Instagram and audience network, okay, I get around 36. That's really great. But when I go with Facebook and the audience network only, 28. Sorry, Facebook on audience network only, the clicks are 28. No. So when I look into these three combination and I remove audience network, it is very lesser. When I add audience network, it is 28. When I go with Instagram with the audience network, it is 36. Now, if I look at this combination with Instagram and the audience network, okay, so the probability of getting 36 clicks is very high. So when I go with all other combination, I had a probability of this one. So I cannot blindly believe on the estimated daily results, but I will consider that one as a metric or a hint just to proceed with getting more clicks per better price. Okay, come down and look at this one, but how your app will be shown. Okay, it will be shown only on Android devices, only on Android smartphone and Android tablet, and operating system. Okay, let me say your application is supporting only operating system Android 9 and above. Okay, okay, and your advertisement will be shown to the people only when they are connected to Wi-Fi. If they are having a data mobile data network, it will not show. Now you need to go out and edit this one also, because installing the mobile application, okay, people should be able to install when they have a mobile internet also, not only with respect to mm, Wi-Fi connection availability. Okay, so let me go here. So only when connected to Wi-Fi it is disabled. Okay, now the minimum requirement for operating system. Okay, ice cream sandwich, honeycomb eclair, fryo, gingerbread. Okay, nougat. I think we need to have at least lollipop. Okay, at least a lollipop, Kit Kat, Jelly Bean, Nougat, whatever it may be. It depends on your mobile application. Okay, what it is it support. Okay, let me go with the Nougat itself. So at least the advertisement operating system should have a Nougat operating system. Okay, and it can be installed at any time. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so like this we need to be very specific about okay what we need to show your advertisement to. Okay, so minimum, maximum, this is basically optimization delivery. Okay, now with respect to the cost, let us come to a small calculation again. Okay, so minimum is 36 clicks is what I will receive for the budget of rupees 100, I believe. Okay, for 100 I receive 36 clicks. Okay, 100 I receive 36 clicks means So each click I will be spending around 2 rupees 70 paise. So let me go with 3 rupees per installation approximately. Okay, I go with rupees 3 per installation to limit it so that I don't spend 10-20 rupees per clicks. Okay, so let me go with 3 rupees and see what happens. If it allows, okay, the estimated daily results are good. Yes, it allows 3 rupees. Now let me be a little bit cunning. Okay, let me go with 2 rupees 75 paise. Okay, with the 2 rupees 75 paise, yeah, it still accepts. That's really great. Okay, so 2 rupees 75 paise. Let me go with rupees 2 then for every installation. Still works out. Okay, for rupees 2. Okay, if I can still go with lesser option, 1 rupee per installation. It doesn't allow me. Now let me try with 1 rupee 50 paise per installation. Doesn't allow me. Let me go with 1 rupee 45 paise. Still this reach is less than 10. Let me go with 2 rupees approximately. Ah, so with 2 rupees it is working. Okay, so I'm just limiting it. See why I'm limiting to this much is because like think about installing the mobile application by thousands and thousands of people, right? When your campaign is going live, and for each installation you spend 20 paise, 30 paise extra, right? Then you will be spending around 300 to 400 rupees extra, right? So every paisa counts. So you need to make sure that try to run this campaign the minimal budget and the expenses. Okay, now you can click on the next option with this one after defining your audience and everything. So select your preferred page. Then the remaining things is as usual like showing your advertisement. Okay, so use this page for your ads identity instead of the app name. Okay, now by default it takes the application name, but application name that is there on the iTunes store or Android store. But what I can do is I can use my Facebook page name instead of the WhatsApp name or the application name. So let me remove this. Okay, so I don't need that because automatically let it take it from the Google Play Store. Okay, so when you look into the small preview of this advertisement, no images are here. Okay, so carousel automatically the advertisement should take image from the Play Store, but it is not taking up here. Preferably that is a great option to have. Okay, else you can go okay, as usual, click on the add media, click on add image, and if you have an image related to WhatsApp, click browse upload. Okay, see there is an image for WhatsApp for business, but the thing is like those images are of not good quality, and that's the reason. Okay, so this image won't work on Instagram. Image must be at least 500 to 262 pixels. Now you need to go to canva.com, upload this WhatsApp business image, and you can resize this image from 500 to 262 pixels, and then you can upload and it will work. Okay, basic thing. Okay, so you upload your image, your campaign will be ready. So we have defined the placement with respect to the headline and all the stuff. Okay, so chat with your friends in text and video calls. Okay, so we are trying to promote the WhatsApp application, right? Right, so the call to action is install now. When people look at this advertisement, people should come and click on the install now button so that they will be taken to the Play Store and it will be automatically installed. Okay, this is how it works with mobile application installation. Okay, of course we are unable to completely execute this one without error because we don't have access to WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is not the application that we own, and I myself don't have a mobile application, so I cannot show it in front of you. If you have, you need to verify that you are the owner of the application. That is done, the errors will be removed and your advertisement will start be showing it. Okay, if at all if you want to run it for your client, okay, so tell your client that you need to verify this application ownership and the things will be taken care. Okay, so what we have discussed till now is mobile application installation campaign. Okay, you can install your Android iOS application based on the application type, and you can have your application user base increased to bigger extent and get more out of your mobile application.